You guys are late. So what's going on? Yes. No, our food stamps got stolen. Last month our cash got stolen. This month our food stamps got stolen. In New York. I have proof if you want to see it.
1539 claim for flatbed.
We can't go anywhere.
Today, we're at a Los Angeles park where officials show up for what they call a cleanup, but the residents call it a sweep, targeting unhoused people. They talk about stolen food stamps, struggles with housing, and how city programs fail to help. Even when laws exist to protect everyone, enforcement seems selective, leaving the most vulnerable at risk. This story shows how systemic neglect impacts real people every day.
Here we go. We've been listed in this spot for a sweep. They call it cleanups, but it's really a sweep. Here we are at the park ranger's car. Here's sanitation. They can call themselves sanitation because they don't know anything about sanitation. Here's the employees. Truck numbers. An asshole right there. Truck numbers. That guy right there. He has no idea what he is doing or what to do. He doesn't know anything. I'm waiting for the park rangers. You guys are late. So what's going on? Yes. No, our food stamps got stolen. Last month our cash got stolen. This month our food stamps got stolen. In New York. I have proof if you want to see it.
1539 claim for flatbed.
We can't go anywhere. We can't go anywhere without money or food stamps to get anything to eat or drink. So I mean, we're screwed until then.
Is this you guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, we got posted for that one.
Well, like I said, you guys are late. We had stuff packed up and ready to go, but we put stuff back because there was nobody here at 7 a.m.
Air Unit Gas 145 into Victory Boulevard into 0961 for
How's it
9863.
been for you over here?
Well, it's been okay. No one really bothers us. Yeah.
Better than North Hollywood?
Yes. I don't feel sick in this park at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah, North Hollywood was making me ill. There's something wrong with the pine. The pine needles don't smell right. If you get down by the ground, they don't smell right. It's weird. I don't know what's wrong with it. Yeah.
Browns Creek, huh?
Yeah.
Better than Browns Creek.
Well, okay. So, one thing we don't get is why this even has to happen because there is no mess. Not even at the park. There's nothing. I'm talking about the sweeps that you guys do. This is a sweep, not a cleanup. If it was a cleanup, the entire park would be closed to the public. It's a sweep. It's targeted specifically to the unhoused and homeless people in the park and around it.
I mean, to put it, I don't know how to put it in a nice way. It's pretty much, say, sweeping the unhoused.
The trash, because we're considered the trash.
I wouldn't say that, but...
By Karen Bass, yes, she considers us trash because she spent $3 million for the cleaning enforcement zones. $3 million. Signs that do nothing. When she could have been housing people with that money. She chose not to. She's a Republican in disguise as a Democrat. She sucks. Her and Gavin Newsom both. If you look at the laws they're putting into action, like 4118, 4118 isn't specifically towards the unhoused or homeless people. It's for everyone. So if you stop somebody on the sidewalk because you haven't seen them in a while and you're blocking the sidewalk, you're sitting there talking, you could be thrown in jail for violation of 4118. That's what that means.
Yeah.
4118 is for the entire population. So it doesn't just go for us.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
So even if law enforcement were to block the sidewalk, all these vendors that block the sidewalks, they're in violation of 4118.
Yeah.
And that's the big problem. Yet they pass this stuff anyways, regardless of what it does to people. It's not just for us. And to target just the unhoused people is also against the law. It's systemic, what the Nazis did to the Jews. It's the same thing, because we're considered to be trash. Unworthy, just our presence alone makes people want to they need to get rid of these people. Without ever knowing who these people, the unhoused, really are.
Yeah, I mean, it's unfortunate.
It's not unfortunate, it's illegal, actually.
Well, it's illegal, it's unfortunate.
It's unfortunate that Los Angeles likes to do so many illegal things to its citizens, and we are citizens. We vote just like everybody else. Because she hasn't done squat for me. She's done nothing for any unhoused person in the county. None. If that was the deal, then why would LASA bring us out here over 10 years ago? They brought us to the San Fernando Valley and stranded us here with no one, no friends, no family. All our friends and family are in the San Gabriel Valley.
Did they help you out the last time?
No. Nope. We have not seen hide nor hair of anyone from LA Family Housing or LASA. They have completely, like I said, refused to help us at all. They're refusing. Supposedly, other team members from sanitation have called to get us assistance. No, nothing.
Not today or no? Did they come out today?
No.
This morning? No?
They didn't come out yesterday. They haven't come out today. They will not come out. They refuse. I'm telling you. They refuse. Ever since we refused that apartment in Chatsworth, because again, GR is not accountable income. It's not an income. You ask any apartment manager, any apartment owner, they will not accept it. Programs might, the programs that are supposed to help people like us, they might be okay with it, but the landlord and the owner is not. And that's what they told me before in front of LA Family Housing. And they still want us to pay 30% of our income, which this month is nothing. Zero. No cash. And last month it took us 2 weeks to get our money because it got stolen.
No, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, it does. It does. But when people do that to the very poorest of people, it's even worse because that's how people like us get evicted all the time. You could be the best renter, but if something happens to your paycheck and it's delayed 2 weeks, you're screwed. You're done for. Even you guys. If your paychecks get delayed for some reason, and it happens often, oh no, you're going to be out real fast.
Yeah, it affects everybody. Like I said before, it could be any one of us.
Yeah, and now the rent cap didn't even pass.
Yeah.
It didn't pass. So that means there are more people who own property in Los Angeles County than there are who rent. I don't think so. I don't think so. That's not right, and that's not cool. It's going to keep going up and up and up. And my husband has met many people, professional working people, plumbers, who are afraid their job's going to disappear and they're going to be homeless. Many people are, except for these numbnuts over here in sanitation who think their job is secure. It's not. Nobody's, LAPD, their job isn't secure. No one is. We're all just this far from being evicted, from being out here with us. Everybody is. So, we'll move. If you still want us to, we'll move. But it's going to take us, however long it takes us.
Yeah, you always cooperate with us. I feel like we've been fair to you all the time. So, like I said, all the time, whenever we see you, and as long as you're moving, just go with us. We can always give you time.
Okay.
We're going to take care of this one because nobody's here apparently. It's just trash. So
we'll take care of this one, and there's another one over there. We'll take care of that one.
Okay.
Do you know who lives in that smaller tent?
It's a gentleman that just popped up last night.
Good to see you guys.
Yeah, he's been all right.
Well, yeah, thank you. We'll give you some time.
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys.
As the sweep continues, officials collect trash while giving residents time to relocate. Despite repeated hardships and stolen resources, the residents remain cooperative and resilient. The video closes by highlighting the challenges and perseverance of those living unhoused, leaving a stark picture of how systemic issues and selective enforcement shape everyday survival in Los Angeles. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.